Hi guys, now we will discuss the virtualization technologies, cloud security, and cloud migration strategies. This will cover the introduction, a brief history, virtualization technologies, and their importance in MIS, cloud security, cloud migration strategies, and finally a conclusion with my reference. So let's start with the introduction. Virtualization creates software-based version of servers, storage, or network, letting one physical machine run many isolated systems at once. Cloud security protects the data, application, and infrastructure hosted on a cloud platform from unauthorized access and attackers. And cloud migration is the planned process of moving an organization data and application from local servers to the cloud. Now, brief history. In the 1960s, IBM mainframes introduced early virtualization, letting one computer run multiple sessions. In 1999, MBWare released commercial virtualization software for standard server. In 2026, Amazon Web Services launched, making rateable cloud infrastructure widely available. Through, through the 2010s, business adopted hybrid and multi-cloud strategies, which drove demands for stronger cloud security. And today, in the year 2020s, zero trust security models and automated migration tools make cloud adoption faster and safer than ever. So let's look at virtualization technologies. Server virtualization divides one physical server into multiple independent virtual machines. Virtualization combines physical storage from multiple devices into a single manageable pool. Virtualization creates virtual network that operates independently of physical hardware. And desktop virtualization lets user access a full desktop environment remote from any device. Why does this matter to management information system? Virtualization cuts hardware costs by letting organization run more workload on fewer physical machine. It's improved disaster recovery since virtual machine can be backed up and stored quickly. It gives IT department faster access to computing resources for new information system. And it supports remote work by letting employees access virtual desktop from anywhere. So we have the cloud security and cloud migration strategy. Now, let's identify and access management verifies user identity and limits access to only what each role needs. Data encryption protects information both while it is stored and while it is moving across the network. And continuous monitoring detect unusually activity or instruction attempts in real time. On the other side, We have the cloud migration strategies. Rehosting, also called lift and shift, moves application to the cloud with minimal change for the quick start. Replatforming and makes small optimization during migration without changing the core architecture. Uh, refactoring design and application to fully use cloud native future and scalable. And before any of this happen, assessment and planning audit the current system and sets a migration roadmap. Together, strong security and clear migration strategy let organization moves to the cloud when confident. And we have the last, the conclusion. Virtualization technology, hmm, cloud security, and cloud migration strategic form, connected foundation for modern IT infrastructure. Virtualization makes computing resources flexible and cost efficient. Strong security keeps data trustworthy and shape environment. And the clear migration strategy ensure the move to the cloud is smooth and well planned. Together, they show how management information system involved to meet the demands of scalable, secure computing. Okay, uh, this is the my reference, formatted in AP 7th edition. Thank you very much for your watching.